today's video we're going to learn the verbs of type γ2. In the previous video we learned the verbs of type γ1 and we mentioned that all the γ verbs have an ending of me and they are in passive voice. In this video we're going to focus on γ2 verbs and there are only 4, but they are essential in our daily life, so that's why we're going to learn them and we're going to conjugate one and then we see sentences with them. Ας ξεκινήσουμε. Let's get started. Θυμάμαι, I remember. Κοιμάμαι, I am sleeping. Λυπάμαι, I am sorry. And φοβάμαι, I am afraid. A quick note here that in Greek language we don't really have present continuous, but a lot of the verbs in passive voice can be translated in English in present continuous. So if you're gonna say κοιμάμαι, you can translate it like I'm sleeping or I sleep. They're both right. Now let's see how the κοιμάμαι verb is getting conjugated. Ας δούμε το ρήμα κοιμάμαι. Εγώ κοιμάμαι. I sleep. Εσύ κοιμάσαι. You sleep. Αυτός κοιμάται. He sleeps. Αυτή κοιμάται. She sleeps. Αυτό κοιμάται. It sleeps. Εμείς κοιμόμαστε. We sleep. Εσείς κοιμάστε. You sleep. Αυτοί κοιμούνται. They sleep masculine. Αυτές κοιμούνται. They sleep feminine. Αυτά κοιμούνται. They sleep neutral. Τώρα μερικές προτάσεις. Now a couple of sentences. Κοιμάμαι γύρω στις 8 το βράδυ. I sleep around 8 o'clock at night. Αυτή δεν φοβάται τίποτα. She's not afraid of anything. Τι θυμάσαι από το σχολείο? What do you remember from school? Αυτοί λυπούνται για τη συμπεριφορά τους. They are sorry for their behavior. And that's it for today. Αυτά ήταν τα ρήματα γ2. That's where these were the γ2 type of verbs. If this video was useful for you, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.